Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick update now that we have finished that first unit. Thank you for everyone who participated. We had a lot of people who were involved. That helped me out a ton. I thought it went over pretty smoothly, but there were definitely some kinks that I can adjust so that we don't have those same issues moving forward. The first announcement I want to make is this upcoming week is spring break. They're keeping that in the schedule. So what that means is I'm not going to post anything new for this upcoming week. Monday, April the 13th is the first day of our new unit. So that was initially a teacher work day, but because of everything that's going on, they took the teacher work days out. So Monday, April 13th is when we are going to start unit 3. So just make sure that you log in on that Monday or even Sunday before to just check so that you are ready. When you log in, it's going to look very similar to how Unit 7 looked. I'm going to have an agenda posted. It's not posted yet, but I will have an agenda posted where I break up the notes and assignments kind of day by day. For the quizzes and Kahoots, I'm still going to assign them on a certain day, but I am going to leave them open until Sunday at noon. That was one major thing. If people weren't able to do it on the day it was assigned, they tried to wake up and do it real quick the next day and it had already closed. So that's one thing that I'm going to adjust and fix. Those quizzes and Kahoots are going to be open until Sunday at noon. I am going to stress that you should still try to do it on the day that it's assigned if you can, but I understand there's a lot going on. If you can't do it that day, it will be open for you until Sunday at noon. So that should give you some more flexibility. The next change is going to be office hours. Thank you for everyone who participated. It was very helpful for me, allowing me to see how Google Meet worked so that I can know how to help you in the future. So that was awesome. However, I'm going to have more frequent office hours once we start Unit 3 because we're going to get back into some of the more complicated chemistry concepts. So I'm going to have more office hours so that right when you take the notes, you can ask questions right away to get that kind of help all the way through. So if you go to that office hour Google Doc, I put a link to a form. If you could just click on that link, all you have to do is click what time slot you think would work best for you. So this time on Friday, I had 5 different office hours. I'm not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to have office hours throughout the week, but I'm only going to have 1 or 2 time slots each day. So if you could fill that out, that helps me. I'm trying to pick times that work best for a majority of you guys. So if you could just click on that link, click a button real quick, that's going to help me make sure that I'm meeting most of your guys' needs. Other than that, a lot of people asked about grades, and unfortunately, I don't know anything. People well above my pay grade are still trying to figure that out, so we have not gotten a definitive answer on how we're addressing grades. Once they let me know, I will let you know. The only thing I'm going to stress is regardless of how the grades are going to work, you should log in to try to learn the content because at the end of the day, that is the purpose of the class, is not just the grade, but do you know the content? And that's going to be helpful for those of you that want to take AP Chem, or if you want to take anatomy, you need chemistry. So learning the concept is important. And I know you care about your grades, and that's a great thing. I care about your grades as well. So once they update us and let us know, I will be sure to let you know. So make sure that you check the class website. Monday, April the 13th is when we're going to start this next unit. Hopefully it's going to run a little bit more smoothly. We're going to go back in order. So Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. So you'll have all the knowledge that you will need to answer the questions, which is something we ran into in Unit 7. But from here on out, you'll have all of the content that you will need to answer the questions. Those quizzes and Kahoots will be open until Sunday at noon so that you have more flexibility to get that stuff done. As always, you can email me at any time if you have any questions, and hopefully we have everything smoothed out, and I will get back to you guys and hear from you starting Monday, April the 13th.